Okay, here we got a 2007 Mercedes. It's the ML350. A lot of the Mercedes are all similar to this, but this is how you would check the blower motor is not working. There's no heating, as well as the air conditioning inside the vehicle doesn't work. What you want to do is you want to come around inside, and of course, turn your key to the on position. Set it to automatic. Turn your fan speed up, and as you can hear, the cooling fan is not coming on. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our test light, and we're going to come up underneath the bottom of the dashboard on the passenger side. There's a cover right up underneath here, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove the screws underneath the bottom here to take this cover off so we can see up underneath there. So let me take these screws out, and I'll show you what I find when I get underneath there. The electrical connector so we can pull it down, and there's a little clip on the side here. You just push this clip in, and you can pull out the electrical connector from the light under the dashboard, and you can just pull this down out of the way. You don't need to go any further to take it down. This is the blower motor underneath here, and what happens is the blower motor has actually got the resistor built right onto the blower motor. So I'm going to show you how to check it, and we'll go from there. All right, you grab your test light. Obviously the key is going to be in the on position so that everything lights up on the climate control. What you want to do is you want to test the wiring inside here. There'll be an orange one which has a ground going to it, and then you have a red one that should have power, and the red light means it's power. So we know we have power, and we know we have ground. So this blower motor should be working right now. So let me just drop the motor down, and we'll take a look up inside and see what's happening. To take the motor down, you want to just push these clips in on the side right here and unplug the electrical connector. You can just squeeze these together. And it pulls right out. The same thing on this side over here. You may need a screwdriver or something to push on it to get it out. Sorry about putting that down, but I couldn't unplug this without two hands. You just push that little clip in on the side right here, and it pulls right out. And now we're going to remove the screws that hold the blower motor up into the heater box, and there should be 4 of those, and then we're going to pull it down. Once you have all the screws out, the blower motor just comes right straight down out of the vehicle like this, and you can take it right out, and this is what the assembly looks like. From experience, I've learned that actually, let me open it up and I'll show you what I mean. What happens is inside these blower motors, water gets inside the resistor, and it burns it out. So let me open it up and I'll show you what I mean. There's only a couple of screws that hold it together. Sorry about this, I'm trying to do it one-handed. Alright, you can take the 2 screws out. Again, this is a Torx bit that's inside here, it's not a screwdriver. This is just to confirm that the problem is really the resistor or the motor, whichever burned out. Let me just show you. Okay, now we have the screws loosened. We'll take them out. Let's open this up. And there's a little clip underneath the bottom right here. What I use is a scribe with a hook on it. You just go underneath the bottom right here and just pull it, and it pops right out. Yep. And as you can see, there is a problem in here. You can see that water has gotten into the control of the resistor here, and everything's shorted out. So let's grab the new blower motor, put it in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, and here we got the new blower motor, and as you can see, it comes with the new squirrel cage right on it, and it comes with the new resistor built right on there also. So let's put it back in there, and we'll make sure everything works properly. And the way you want to put it back in is just reverse the procedure that you took it out. Line this side up over here with the cutout directly up underneath here that it belongs into. So let's screw it back in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, and then once you have all of the 4 bolts tightened up, you can reconnect your electrical connectors, and you just push them right in and you'll feel them snap in. Same thing with this one here. There's only one way they can go in, so you can't make a mistake, and you'll see they snap right in. And just to test it now, we're going to turn the key on and check the blower motor and see how it works. Again, I'm going to turn it to auto, and then you click your fan speed up, and as you can hear, it's working properly. That's it, and that's the maximum, and that's it. Alright, then we just have to put the rest of this back up underneath the bottom right here, and I'll show you how that goes. Basically, we're just going to push this back in over here, and we're going to reconnect our light that we disconnected. We're going to connect this electrical connector right back up underneath here where it goes, and then we're going to install 1, 2, 3, and 1 in the back, 4 screws to hold the panel up underneath the bottom right here, and that's it. That's pretty much all done.